Hey there, gamers, YouTubers, fan collectors. This is my Gulf Coast ceiling fan. I'm not really sure what the model number of this thing is, but on the sticker it says it's a 48-inch fan, but this is actually a 42-inch fan. I got this in Lakeland like 3 years ago. It is 3-speed, electrically reversible. I got it exactly how it is, minus the mounting hardware up there. I took that off of Miami Carry, which I have, but it's missing the blade. Might make a video of that one day, but I doubt it. I don't know, we'll see. I have it wired to this rigged, please excuse the mess, it's really bad in here. This rigged setup. This is the light, and this is the fan. So I'm going to show you 3 speeds. It has no motor noise except for some dry bearings. It's one of my better fans in my collection. I've got a couple more Gulf Coast hanging at the current moment. I'll show you those in a moment. It's got a slight wobble. It used to be a lot worse, but it resolved itself somehow. Now I'm going to show you medium speed. This Gulf Coast fan in particular is faster than my others. I don't know why. This is the fastest Gulf Coast I have. I think I have like 5 of them. But every other one that I have is white. This is the only brown one I have. Just like my Sokins. And this is medium speed. I'll show you the light. It's a preheater. I don't really use it that often because it creates a strobing effect. Like nearly every other room in this house is like that. Creates a strobing effect. I'm going to turn that off. Now I'm going to show you high speed. This fan originally came with a double claw mounting system, but I took it off so I can hang it on my ceiling because my ceilings have hooks on them, no boxes. There is a tuna can right above that light fixture. When I say tuna can, I mean it's like, it literally looks like a tuna can, but it's not. I honestly don't really know what that is. One day I might show you guys, but for now I just can't. So yeah, this is high speed. Very good air mover. Very nice condition. And yes, you did see that correctly. It does have tape on the blade. I don't know why, but that's just how I got it. And it does not affect airflow or speed of the fan or wobbling at all, but it does create a whistling sound. And that's my Casablanca clock. And there's a Peanuts comic from 1963. Yeah, and there's a Sunlight fan. That's a Skylar Strickland fan. Now we're gonna do a spin down. This fan, like the others that I have, the sticker on the top says a different diameter than what it actually is. This one says 48, but it's actually a 42. The antique brass Gulf Coast that I just recently got says it's a 56-inch fan, but I'm 99% certain that it's actually a 52-inch fan. The blades look just like this, except the brackets are antique brass, and the wood blades are a bit longer. But the motor is exactly the same size, just minus the switch housing. This one's reversible. I don't know if I told you all that. It's a really pretty fan. It's one of my better running fans. Buddy, is that you? Buddy! That's Buddy. And now we're gonna do direct startup from on high speed. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good night.